Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oil stew full guide. Start by heating oil gently to release aromatics, then add onions and garlic to soften. Brown your protein briefly, then add vegetables and seasonings, stirring to coat. Pour in stock or water to cover ingredients about halfway, simmer gently until tender, and adjust seasoning at the end for balanced flavor and texture. Begin by washing and chopping all vegetables into similar sizes to ensure even cooking. Measure oil so the stew is flavorful without being greasy, and choose an oil with a high smoke point for searing. Lay out seasonings and liquids so you can add them without delay. This prep approach saves time and keeps flavors consistent as you move through each cooking stage. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you cook, and it fits in most car cup holders, which is handy when juggling pans and timers. I linked it in the description along with other deals, so check there for details. Now let's get back to the video. Sear your protein in hot oil to develop deep flavor, then remove and set aside. Add aromatics and vegetables to the same pan, deglazing with a splash of stock to capture brown bits. Return protein, add remaining liquid to come halfway up the ingredients, then simmer gently until everything is tender and the sauce thickens. Finish with fresh herbs or an acid to brighten the stew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.